Hi friends, hope you're well. This is Latif and you're watching Moon 333. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a very powerful bullish signal which is being appeared for the second time in the history of Ethereum. And last time when this signal was appeared, it produced more than 12,000% massive profit. 12,000%. So let's see what will happen this time. But before that, we'll have some midterm and short-term analysis of Ethereum price action. So it will be easy for you to move to the long-term chart to see the long-term move of Ethereum. And for the people who are not following my analysis of Ethereum on my channel, on my articles, for those people, I would like to give a small recap first, so it will be easy for them as well to understand what's going on with the price action of Ethereum. So, and before that, I would like to say that the information I'm providing here on this channel in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Friends, I have been following Ethereum for more than 2 years, but this chart is very important. I published this chart on January 2020, and on this chart, I revealed that the price action of Ethereum formed a bullish shark pattern, a perfect bullish shark pattern. And at that time, the price action on 18th of January was moving in the potential reversal zone of this bullish shark pattern. And I was expecting that it will produce up to 123% profit, as I've mentioned on my chart as well. And now I'm playing this idea, then you can see that the price action so far has produced 104% profit. So this was the chart basically which directed the price action of Ethereum into a long-term bullish move. And I've also mentioned target for the people who wanted to trade Ethereum for short-term or mid-term. These were the buying range. This was the buying range, and these were the sell targets. And those sell targets have been hit. So, but the price action is still in moving up in the long term. So after that, we have seen that the price action moved up and broke out this resistance level of $149. And after breaking out this resistance level, the price action had some correction rally, and after that, the price action crossed up or broke out the next resistance level of $224. All right, so here when the price action first broke out this resistance level of $149, I was expecting that the price action will retest this previous support as a resistance, the previous resistance as a support, but the price action did not retest this resistance level as a support. And after a little bit correction rally, the price action moved up to the next resistance level. And now the price action, after showing a little bit volatility, the price action is retesting the support of this previous resistance level of $224. And this is a very positive sign. We can see that the candlesticks are consolidating at this resistance or support. That was previous resistance level. Now it is current support, and the candlesticks are consolidating at the support level. This is a 12-hour chart, and you can see that the MACD was strong bearish, and it is turned weak bearish now. Before that, the MACD has been turning strong from strong bearish to weak bearish. 2 times it has been switching from strong bearish to weak bearish, and in those periods we have seen that the price action was having a little bit bullish rallies, but at that time we can also see the stochastic was also not the oversold, and at this time the stochastic is also entered in the oversold zone. So this time we can see a bullish rally like we have seen here when the stochastic was oversold, and the MACD turned from strong bearish to weak bearish, and after that we have seen a very, very strong bullish rally. And the RSI is also very close to the oversold zone. So this is very positive sign we are having at this time, that the price action is consolidating at the support, and MACD is turning bullish, and the stochastic is also oversold. So it depends at this time on this signal from the stochastic. Once we will receive a bull cross from stochastic indicator, so there will be more chances that the price action will move up from here to the next resistance level, that is $310. There is a possibility, but there is also another possibility. If the price action will break down this support of $224, then it can retest the previous support of $149. Previously, we have seen in my previous video that the price action was having support of 25 simple moving average. At this time, the price action has crossed down the 25 simple moving average, and now it is going to touch the 50 simple moving average. And we were expecting that that these moving averages of 100 and 200 simple moving averages will form a golden cross very soon. But so far, this golden cross is remaining, and at this time, these moving averages all are very close, as they were very close in my previous video a few days back. So they are moving sideways. They can form a golden cross at any time, and after the formation of this golden cross, we can see a very powerful bull rally. But it depends on the price action, whether it will break down this support of 50 moving average, or it will take a bounce from here. For example, if we'll take a bounce from here, then we can see this golden cross formation, or otherwise, if the price action will break down this support of 50 simple moving average, then we can also see that the price action may the moving average, the 50 moving average may form a death cross with 200 simple moving average, as we can see that this is slightly moving or showing the tendency to move down at this time. That will be very critical, and that in that situation, definitely the price action will retest the previous support, resistance as a support, that is $149. But so far, so good. The price action is having support of 50 moving average, and there is a possibility of golden cross between 200 and 100 simple moving average. And we have already seen that whenever any golden cross was formed between these moving averages, like 25 and 100, 25 and 50, 25 and 200, 50 and 100, and 50 with 200 simple moving average. And you can see whenever these golden crosses were formed, the price action took a very powerful bullish divergence and moved up in a very, very bullish, powerful bullish way. So this time, if the price action, these moving averages will form a golden cross between 100 and 200 simple moving averages, then we can see another powerful bullish rally. So now heading to the next chart, and that is the 12-hour live chart of this Ethereum US dollar. And this one is my favorite move by the Ethereum. So you can see here the price action has formed a bullish butterfly pattern. Let's dig this pattern deeper, how perfect this pattern is driven or formed. After initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci as required for the bullish butterfly pattern. And after that, the price action projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, and that is the projection of A to B leg. And finally, the price action is retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci, and this is the potential reversal zone from where the price action is supposed to take the bullish divergence. And we are having a very good strong support of 100 simple moving average in this potential reversal zone. That is very hopeful and positive sign that the price action will take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone. And first, we can expect that the price action will enter in the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. This will be a strong resistance level for the price action. And once this 0.786 Fibonacci will be crossed up, then the price action can move up more and hit to the next resistance level, that is $310. And we have already seen in my previous video and in my previous chart the long-term resistance. The next long-term resistance for the Ethereum is $310, and after that the next long-term resistance will be $742. And so far the price action of Ethereum has hit up to $287. So far, it has reached up to $287. That was very close to this $310 resistance, but from there, the price action repelled down, and at this time, we are in another correction, really. And now, moving to the next chart uh, that contains a very strong, powerful bullish signal, which is being appeared second time in the history of the Ethereum on a long-term chart. And we can see on this week chart, this is the Ichimoku cloud. Very, very good indicator. Japanese took almost 30 years to develop or create this indicator. This is a very good indicator, and we can see that first time on 20th Feb 2017, when the price was $12.23. The price action crossed up the bullish cloud, the green cloud of Ichimoku, and we received a bull signal from the lagging span as well, because lagging span crossed up the bullish cloud, and we also received a conversion, the bull cross from the conversion and the baseline as well. They formed the bull cross, and the price action moved up and produced more than 12,000% massive, huge profit. So this time we can see that same signal is in process, is being appeared, and the price action is crossing up this bullish cloud of Ichimoku, and we have received a bull cross just below this price action by the a conversion in the baseline as well. I'm just making this price action disappeared, and after that you can see that we have received this bull cross between conversion and baseline, and the lagging span is moving up at this time. So far the lagging span did not cross up the price did not cross up the cloud. So far it has crossed up the price action. That is also very good uh, bullish signal, but once it will cross up the cloud, that will be a very, very strong bullish signal. So if the price action previously after this signal hit uh, almost 12,000% profit. So it will, I think, it's my in my personal opinion, I think it will be not difficult for the price action to hit at least $1,500. That was our previous highest price by the Ethereum. And there is another signal which is supporting this signal, that previously you can see the directional movement when the price action crossed up the bullish cloud, the directional movement plus signal or plus line crossed up the directional movement negative or minus line. And we received this bull cross, and the ADX moved up, and definitely ADX shows the power of bulls or bear, whatever the line is above. For example, this is the bull line. This plus a DI is the bull's line. So at that time it was above the D minus or bear's line. So this was the ADX was showing the power of bulls at that time. And at this time we can see that the directional movement plus sign and plus line has crossed up the bears line, that is directional movement negative or minus, and ADX is also moving up. So this signal is supporting this Ichimoku cloud signal. But we cannot say anything unless the price action will cross up this cloud completely, and we will have another situation that this lagging span lagging span, sorry, will cross up the cloud completely, and the cloud will be turned again bullish from here. Then we can say that the price action will uh, turn very strong bullish, and it can give a very, very huge, massive bullish profit. So this was the update for now by the Ethereum price action. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.